and welcome to healthyhouseplants.com, where we teach you all about gardening in the great indoors. If you'd like to support our show, please use our Amazon affiliate link below. Today I'm going to share with you a very cool plant. This is a peace lily, Spathiphyllum, but as you can see, it has some really unique variegated white and green leaves and the typical spath flowers here, like the regular peace lilies have. This variegated variety is called Domino. You can see lots of white variegation in the leaves. It's a very stunning plant. Peace lilies are already really nice plants. Here's a standard one. I love the leaves on peace lily. The variegated one doesn't have as shiny leaves as the regular standard, but it's still very eye-catching, and they both have eye-catching white flowers. I really like the Domino because it's so unique, and it looks good even when it isn't flowering. When it is flowering, it's even more eye-catching because of the variegated white and green foliage and the white spath flowers. This variety has become more common and easier to find than it used to be, so grab one if you can. Peace lilies are long-lived plants that can live for many years, providing you take good care of them. I do have a video on their care. Care for this one is pretty much the same as the regular standard peace lily. However, there is a little bit of a difference in the care, and that difference has to do with the variegation itself. This plant needs a little more light than the average peace lily because the variegation means less chlorophyll, and that means the plant picks up less light, so it's going to need a little more light. So whereas I'll often say medium-low light for standard peace lilies, I would say a good solid medium light for the Domino and any other variegated peace lilies you may run across. So that's it today for showing you this very unique eye-catching plant, which is really nice to add to your collection of houseplants. Thank you for stopping by today. Please leave any comments about any indoor gardening tutorials you'd like to see. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And please check the bell if you'd like to be notified when new videos are released.